What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today we have an early look. It is a Jordan 5. Got that red Jumpman on the top, OG style with the Nike Air cement on the bottom, and we have Air Jordan 5 Retro Grape Ice New Emerald Black. So this is you have the quality control sticker right there, and you have the stamp right there, and you do have a white and green sticker. You got that black plastic paper to cover, and this is the alternate Grape 5. All right, we do got the alternate Grape 5. It's about 2 weeks, maybe more, early. I think they release like the first or second week in July. So this is purple, is really purple, and it's not an ashy purple. It's a real nice dye on it. It's not like those blue suede 5s and the red suede 5. Those had like a little ashy look to it. It wasn't a deep rich color, but these is purple, like there's no ashiness to it. On camera it looks blue, but it's definitely purple. You got to see it in person. This is something you got to see in person. You can't really tell on camera. On camera it looked blue. I'm looking at the camera right now and it's looking blue, but it's definitely purple though. All right, so the bottom is icy translucent on the heel, the forefoot, and you got that purple Jumpman on the forefoot right there. You got Jordan in that black area, black in the front around the toe box. Then you have a black midsole, that clear white air unit. Then you have that emerald on the shark teeth right here with black speckles. The mesh on the side panel and the tongue is smoked out gray. I like that. You can see it. They definitely should have smoked out the bottom. I don't know why they smoked out the tongue and the side panel, but leave the bottom like a icy blue. It does have like a little bit, you can see right here, almost looking like they wanted to smoke it out, but they left it a little bit lighter than the mesh. Black Jumpman on the heel. The suede is not like a super soft suede. Some suede you could feel is like extremely soft when you rub your finger on it. You could feel the shift. This is a little bit more rougher. It's more durable than a super soft suede. You can't really see a lot of color shift on it, as you can see, but the suede is not bad. It's definitely not ashy. Like I said, you definitely got to see it in person. I like that it's not an ashy look. You do got some black laces. You got the lace lock right here, the emerald green, and the clear. You got that Jumpman right there, and on the side you have a purple Jumpman. Purple Jumpman right there. And the tongue is 3M. It's probably not going to be a strong 3M because it's like that gray. It's not that silver 3M, but I'm going to give y'all a hit of that before I end the video. You got a black sock liner. Got that emerald green insole with a black Jumpman. They didn't do that ashy look. They actually give you that that deep color, like they dyed it real good, so you don't have that ashy look. That's the insole right there. It does come with the 9.5 on the insert. That's what it says underneath. And behind the tongue you do have that Air Jordan upside down in white. So what y'all think about these? Y'all feeling these, or y'all gonna pass Yeah, I got to see them in person though. Like I said, man, it's real different in person. I don't know how it really look after I edit the video. I'm probably gonna have to see how it look. But to me, on the camera right now, it's looking blue. It's not really showing up as the dark purple like I'm seeing in person. But it's definitely a nice dark, rich purple. Is not washed out or ashy. So let me know what y'all think about this pickup. If y'all feeling it, if y'all gonna pass, if you're gonna cop, if y'all gonna see them in person first. Oh, I forgot. Let me hit y'all with that 3M shot, and then we're gonna get to the on foot. Alright, so this is what the 3M look like on the tongue. It's not showing up super bright, like I said. It's not a silver 3M. It's that dark gray 3M. But it is there. And it's not that bad. So let me know what y'all think about this video. Like the video, subscribe if you're new, and stay tuned for that on foot.
Perfect.